Namaste dosto, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into hot topic that's blowing up on social media, Fund Kaveri engine. Can India really build its own fighter jet engine? Why is this Kaveri engine such a big deal? And what's stopping us? Let's break it down in simple English like always. First, let's talk about what the Kaveri engine is. Picture this, a powerful jet engine made in India to power our fighter jet like the Tejas or even future drones. This is the GTRE DTX 35BCS Kaveri, a project started by DRDO in the late 1980s. The goal to make India self-reliant in defense tech, so we don't have to beg other countries for engine. But it has been a long, bumpy ride. Let's go back in time. Back in 1986, India said, let's build our own engine for the Tejas fighter jets. The plan was to make an engine with 80 kilonewton thrust, strong enough to compete with best, but things went wrong. The 1998 nuclear test led to the sanction, meaning no one shared tech with us. We don't have the right equipment or enough skilled engineer. By 2008, the Kaveri was dropped from the Tejas project because it was too heavy, 1235 kg instead of 1100 kg, and not powerful enough. By 2014, the project was almost dead. Right now, our Tejas jet use American GE F4404 engine. Imagine this, we are making our own fighter jet, but the heart of it, the engine, comes from abroad. If there is a war or sanction, what happened? If the US says sorry, no more engine. That's why the Kaveri engine is so important. Fast forward to today, May 2025, and Kaveri is trending on social media. People are shouting, fund the Kaveri engine. Why? Because we are closer than ever to make it work. Let's look at where we stand. Good news, dosto. In December 2024, the DRDO announced that Kaveri engine is ready for in-flight testing. They are testing it on a big Russian plane, the Ilyushin 276 in Russian. The dry version of the engine gives 51 kilo Newton thrust, and they are working on afterburner to hit 73 to 75 kilo Newton. Last year in 2023, it passed high altitude test giving 48.5 kilo Newton thrust, perfect for drone like the Ghatak, Ghatak Stealth UCAV. Godrej Aerospace is building parts, and by August 2025, they will be delivered 8 engine modules. DRDO plans to start limited production by 2025 to 26. That's huge progress. So why does India need its own engine? Three big reasons. One is strategic autonomy. If we depend on the US, France or Russia for engine, they can cut us off during a crisis. Two, it gives money. Importing engine is expensive, and building our own creates job and boost our economy. Three, it's about pride, Atmanirbhar Bharat, and making India. We want to show the world we can compete with the big player in aerospace. But it's not all rosy. Building a jet engine is super tough. We have struggled with advanced materials like engine crystal, turbine blades, and can handle crazy heat. Our manufacturing is not precise enough yet, and we need better testing facility. A deal with Safran in 2016 fell apart because they did not share enough tech. Plus, the project already cost over 2000 crore, and we need more funding to make it perfect. So, what's the way forward? First, more money. The social media trend fund Kaveri engine is wake up call for the government to invest big. Second, a smart partnership. We need to work with the global experts like Safran, but make sure we get real tech transfer. Third, focus on tech, better material, better manufacturing, and more skilled engineer. Finally, think big. Kaveri is not just for drone; it could power future jets like the AMCA or fifth generation fighter jet. Dosto, the Kaveri engine is India's dream of flying high on our own terms. It's trending because we believe in it, because we want India to be a defense superpower. But it won't happen without funds, tech, and the hard work. What do you think? Should India push harder for Kaveri? Drop your thought in the comment. Like this video and subscribe for more stories on India's big dream. Jai Hind.